Yes. So write down 8 in between 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 के बीच में आएगा 8. Okay. So you have to write 8 in between 7 and 9. Between matlab बीच में. The next one is 1, 6, 16 and 1, 8, 18. So we have to write what comes in between 16 and 18. So say the counting. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19. So, sorry, 1, 6, 16 के बाद आपको लिखना है. So, after 1, 6, 16, what comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. So, you have to write 1, 7, 17 in between 16 and 18. In between 16 and 18, you have to write 1, 7, 17. 17 comes in between 16 and 18. Written? So 1, 6, 16 and 1, 8, 18 के बीच में आएगा 17. 17 comes in between 1, 6, 16 and 1, 8, 18. Okay? Okay, wait, beta. I think there's some issue and it is not working. Okay, done everyone? 16 and 18 के बीच में आएगा 1, 7, 17. 17 comes in between 16 and 18. Now, the last number is 1 to 12 and 1, 4, 14. Okay. So you have to write what comes in between 1 to 12 and 1, 4, 14. So say the counting. 11, 12, and after 12, 13. So 13 comes in between 12 and 14. 13 comes in between 12 and 14. अब आपको समझ में आया between का मतलब क्या होता है? Between means बीच में. जैसे 12 और 14 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आया? 13. So it is between. 13 comes in between 12 and 14. Okay? Done? Chalo, now show your copy everyone. Bye. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye.